Hello, what's up guys? This is your friend Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, in this video, we'll show you how to keep a single or multiple rows as constant while printing in MS Excel. So as you can see that, if I press Ctrl plus P here, this is the normal page as usual. This is the first page. And if you go to the second page, this comes. But I want to keep these two rows as constant. That is my 6 month schedule and this row containing the date, time, etc. So how to do that? So we had made a video earlier on freeze option. What we can do is that we can select this row, that is the row below this 1 and 2 number rows, because I want to keep the rows number 1 and 2 as constant. Then we can go to our view option. Under the view option, we have an option of freeze panes. We'll simply click on freeze panes. So what happens is that as I scroll down, you can see that these two rows become constant. So let us have a look at our print again. I'll press Ctrl plus P for the print option. So after pressing Ctrl plus P, that is the print option, Microsoft Print to PDF has been selected. As you can see that this is the first page. In the first page, the first two rows are visible. But let us go and look at our second page. In the second page, the two rows are not visible. So this freeze command works only in the Excel interface. It doesn't work while exporting the file. So what to do? If I want to export the file and keep this row and keep these two rows as constant. So let us find out. So you can go to the option page layout and then we have an option of print tiles. So under the option print tiles, we have an option of rows to repeat. We'll simply left click on here and then select these two rows. And then we'll go to our print preview. As you can see, the first page is normal as usual where the two rows appear. Now we go to our second page. As you can see, in the second page also, these two rows are visible. Similarly, you can go to the whole document. These two rows are visible. So we have achieved what we wanted, that is, we wanted to keep these two rows as visible using the print tiles option. So friends, that's all for today. And if you want to know more such tricks and tips in MS Excel or any other software, please let us know in our comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.